This is part of what you need. 4 best food for erectile dysfunction. Maybe you are having a weak erection. 4 best food that will make you to stop weak erection in your life. But before I proceed, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending from where you are watching me. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching this video. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men, or you like videos concerning men, you are on the right channel. Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be a member of this channel and to also be notified anytime I upload a good video like this. What are the best food to stop erectile dysfunction? Or what are the best 4 food to stop erection problem? These 4 fruits are: number 1 is coconut. I hope everyone knows coconut. Very important. Number 2 is Libido nuts. Libido nuts. Very, very important. It is very essential. Libido nuts. Number 3 is tiger nuts. This is tiger nuts. As you can see, tiger nuts. Tiger nuts. Yes, it is very small, but it has a sugary taste. It is too sugary. Very, very important. And the final is what I don't have here. I am sorry. Everyone knows it. Pineapple. Very important. So these are the 4 food that you need for erectile dysfunction or weak erection. But before I proceed, what is weak erection or erectile dysfunction? It is the sudden falling of the penis during intercourse, which is abnormal for every man to experience. And this ailment can make a woman to turn off from a man. This can make a woman to run away from her home. So to stop this erectile dysfunction, you need these 4 food. How are you going to do it, or how are you going to go about with this 4 food? Very simple. Just follow my lead. Make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will never miss a step. And once you can take this food or this recipe or juice, you must have a testimony. I am doing all this video because I have seen so many problems from people. Some people will have problem, but they don't have money or capital to go for the remedy. They will go to hospital. They can never be able to pay for their bill. I am teaching all this to help everyone to cure any kind of diseases that they might be in contact with naturally without spending a dime. All that person will do is to take these natural resources God gave us to treat him or herself. And that is why I bring out my time to prepare all these videos for good health of everyone, and to bring out my time once again to help people to know how to use all these natural resources, both roots, fruits, and herb, how to use them to cure our diseases. That is why I am doing all this video, for people out there to be healthy through natural remedy, and especially for men. So follow my lead and don't skip this video for you to get the insight and the knowledge of how to use this to cure erectile dysfunction or to cure weak erection. And this recipe is very powerful because it will also build your immune system. So how are you going to use these 4 foods to prepare this juice or recipe? Number 1 is this coconut. As you get this coconut, break it and bring out the inner contents. After bringing out the inner contents, slice it or cut it into pieces and put it in a bowl. Wash this Libido nut. Open it and remove the solid seed inside. That one is excluded. Once you remove the solid seed, throw it away and take the outer contents. That is this cover. Take it and put it as many as you can. As many as you can. Put it inside the same bowl with that coconut contents and wash this tiger nut. This tiger nut, wash it as many as you can, depending the quantity you want to get for this recipe or juice. Then after washing it, then take the pineapple and to remove the outer part of the pineapple, take only the juice and cut it into pieces so that it can enter into a blender, and join it with other food like the Libido nut, tiger nut and coconut. After that, then blend it. After blending, you can filter it if you want. Filter it to get the juice. Do not boil. Do not boil. This one, you are not going to boil anything. Just after filtration, you are good to go. Take the juice or recipe, 1 cup, very sweet, very interesting, but extremely effective. Take the juice, 1 cup, morning, afternoon and night for good 2 weeks. Morning, afternoon and night, because this recipe works gradually. As far as your erectile dysfunction is concerned, or to build up your immune system, it can also build your libido. If you're having a low libido, this thing will build your libido. So it works gradually. Don't expect instant results. If you want the best from this recipe, don't believe those people that will tell you a week, 5 days. No. This juice needs for you to take it for complete 2 weeks. It works gradually, and once you get that 2 weeks, you will be healthy. You will no longer experience erectile dysfunction. You will be as normal as you're supposed to be. This recipe will build your body system. It will also build your immune system and make you to be in a normal state of health. So take it morning, afternoon, night for good 2 weeks. You will see that erectile dysfunction will no longer be your portion. Just do as I said. Bring all this food, grind them together. After grinding, filter the juice and take it morning, afternoon, night. You can preserve it. You can do it as much as you can. Put it in a jug for preservation. And once you take it for 2 good weeks, you will have a powerful testimony. That is the end of this video. I hope you like this video, and I hope you do get value from this video. Comment on this video. Let me know what you think. If you have value, comment and share this video to people that you need or people you know that need this video. I myself, I bring out myself to make videos to help people with natural remedies. So help people by sharing this video to people that needs it. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload good videos like this. Like and share this video once again. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.